Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a partial symbol to a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll add in here partial. And to add and show the partial symbol, we need to first include the LaTeX code. So that's a backslash followed by PARTIAL. So it's the word partial. And to show it, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code and $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So once we run the cell, we can now see the partial symbol here centered in the middle of the Markdown cell. So this is how to add a partial symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.